Okay guys, welcome back to another Foxtecc video. This time we talk about the contact photo on your iPhone and how you can actually add it, how you can show it. Let me explain to you all the stuff that you need to know about it. Of course, at first you need to navigate over to your contacts. So you can look it up like this, and here it is. So you can click on that. For example, I'm going to click on this list and let me just add a contact photo to this one. So all you have to do is just to click on edit, and there at the top you can edit the contact photo as well as the poster. So these work in pairs. However, before I show you how you can customize this, the very important part is whenever you are setting this up for yourself, meaning that you're not changing it for someone else, but for your own profile or card or contact or whatever you want to call it. And if you want to show it to be, if you actually want others to see it, all you have to do is to open up the settings and scroll down and find the messages section right here. Tap on that, and here is share name and photo. So you can personalize your messages, choose your name and photo, and who can see what you share. So you just want to make sure that you click on this and have to customize it the way that you want. So here it is. It's like my card and everything. So I'm going to hit continue, and I have to set it up right here to choose what others see. And chances are that if you cannot add it from others, perhaps they don't want you to see that. They don't have it set up, at least the way that I'm showing it to you right now. So if the other person hasn't gone through these steps and hasn't set it up properly, then you will not be able to see it because they don't want you to see it. So this is how it works. But on the other hand, you can still just customize their contact photos and posters just like I've shown you. So let me just come back to the contacts app if I can find it somewhere. So here it is, and this is just a random contact page, but as I explained to you, it works in pairs now, meaning that you have one circular profile picture and one poster. So you can set it up like at the same time, and you can set it up in pairs. So I have two pairs ready. I can create a new one if I want it, or I can customize it separately. So I can either customize the rounded contact photo or customize the poster. So I can customize that. I can crop it, perhaps just move it in, do whatever I need. Then I can choose a different filter and whatnot. I can choose a different photo from the gallery or use some kind of emoji or just the first letters of their name or whatever. So this is how I basically can use it. So I'm going to click on skip for now, and it only updated the circular profile picture. So yeah, hopefully you got something out of this video. I'm showing you the blueprint of how it works. In case you have anything specific that you don't know how you can do, or like some different stuff that you are wondering about, just let me know down below in the comments. I will perhaps reply to you and show you what you can do about it. So yeah, go ahead and do that right now. But before we wrap up, let me just show you that you can go ahead and join Foxtecc educational platform, which I created, and it is free to join. It's linked down below in the description. There are plenty of people which are already inside, and you can watch in the classroom sections like many different courses. I have a full course on the video editing topic with Adobe Rush, which is like a different version of Adobe Premiere Pro, but on your phone. So go ahead and join it right now. You can watch the course there for free. I will wait for you inside, and I'll catch you in the next video as well.